Lorenzo, the 2015 MotoGP World Champion.
Is Rossi going to kick off the 2015 MotoGP World Championship in style with a victory? There's contact there between Marquez and Rossi. Oh, Marquez is down, has crashed out of second place. Unbelievable from the Italian. The World Championship chopping and changing. Boy, what a last lap. Trying to hit the front of Lorenzo. Rossi's through the gravel. He absolutely mugs Rossi on the outside. Rossi looks really close.
It is a shame because I have to start last. Will be more difficult.
Will it be Lorenzo? Will it be Rossi? It's all about Marquez.
99 wins here.
Boy, Lorenzo is the king of MotoGP.